Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and this is Dantech Digital. Okay. So in today's video I want to show you how you can develop your own professional website all by yourself. Okay, now one thing I'll be doing in today's video again is the fact that I'm not going to be using a live host, like hosting it on the internet or getting a domain for it. No, all we're going to be doing here is using our local host. And what is local host? Local host simply means is a way of trying to host your website locally, just on your system. Like every other person don't get to access it on their own device or on their own system. So but after you have finished developing your site, you can then host it whereby it will be on the internet. All right, so the reason for this is because of people who are just getting started with WordPress, people who are just getting started, or people who are not ready for hosting, or probably they can't purchase hosting for that moment, but they can still, doesn't mean that they cannot do anything. So they can still do a whole lot of things. So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, sit back because you're going to be learning a lot of things. I will take you step by step on how to do all these things. I will not miss any step at all. So the first thing I would like to show you here is let me show you my YouTube channel. So if you come to my YouTube channel, guys, this is my YouTube channel. Please, I want to use this medium to encourage you to please subscribe, support me, increase my channel. I'm just in 152 subscribers, so possibly before the end of this month, let me get to 300 subscribers, please. All right, so subscribe and give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it for other people. When you like the video, you are telling YouTube that please recommend this video is good. That's why you need to like, give it a reaction, and subscribe. Share the video, please share it. So when you come to my YouTube channel, under video, you can see I've made a lot of video on website creation and the rest. So go to playlist. Under playlist, look at this one. I have a playlist. This is it here, WordPress web development. If you play that one now, now I would just want to show you, I'm not playing anything. So if you look at this very well, I want to show you something. So come to this place, look at this, how to install WordPress on PC local host using XAMPP. All right, so I've made a video on this, I think last year or so. Let me open the video. So here is the video. I made a video on this last year or so. So the video teaches you how to install hosting, how to download and install XAMPP. And this is the XAMPP here, this is it here. So all these link I will leave them in the description section below. Every link I will be using, don't worry, don't stress yourself. Check in the description section below, you will find the link there. Is that okay? All right, so let's continue rather. So this is the link, the site here where you come and download your XAMPP. So back to I was showing something. So this video here, I will encourage you to go back to my YouTube channel, go and watch this video, this particular one. Watch it, how to install WordPress on PC local hosting using XAMPP. Okay, watch this video. This video will give you a very good background on how to install XAMPP, because in this video, this particular video, I will not cover that aspect, so that I can be able to touch the aspect of developing your website properly. Now in this video, this first one I've done here, I did not cover the aspect of developing your website properly. I only covered how to download and install WordPress, how to download and install XAMPP, and also download WordPress. That's all I did in that video. But in this one, I will not be covering that. I will just go straight to developing your website properly. So that's why I recommend this for you. So let's continue. Having done that, the next place I want you to check in is go to this. I will drop this one, the link also. when you go to this place, which is wordpress.org, please take note, it is wordpress.org we are dealing with. There is a difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org. I will make another video to give you the difference, and so that you could know which one you are going for. So wordpress.org. So if you come to wordpress.org, this is your official website of wordpress.org. For you to download your own WordPress software, you come to this place. You can see it here, Get WordPress, or you hit on this place, Get WordPress. So if you hit on that place now, Get WordPress, you see the reaction. So the next thing that will happen is it will take you to this page that says Get WordPress, everything you need to set up your site just the way you want it. So it's either you hit on this one here, you can see it here, you just hit on this one. WordPress now currently they have 6.3 version, so the guys are really building this thing, and WordPress is really improving. So that's for that. So after you've downloaded it, when you finish downloading it, if I hit on download now, you see what it still is downloading, the zip file. So because I have it already, I'm going to pause it, cancel. All right, so I have it already, I don't want to download that. Okay, so once you are done downloading, let me download for the sake of people. So is the download has continued, so I will pause this video. All right, so I'm done downloading it, so I'm going to go to where this has been downloaded. So let me open it on my file. So here is it, I've opened it now. This is it here. So the next thing I want to do here is to click. I will right click, yes, right click, then I will go to extract. Now the reason why I want to do this is because this is a zip file. Okay, this is a zip file, it is zipped already. So unzip simply means it's just like when something has been packaged, compressedly packaged. So you need to unzip it in order for you to see the real WordPress folder there. So that's what we are doing. So we right click. Once you right click, you see extract all. Now sometimes your own system might not give you extract all, it might give you probably it could say extract file here or extract file. So anyone you pick, just go for anyone. So I will hit on extract all now. You will see what will happen. So look at it here, I'll hit on extract, and straight away the extraction is going on. So we'll just wait for this to complete the extraction, then we'll continue. All right, the WordPress just finished, the zip file just finished unzip, so you can see it now. Let me show you this properly. So if you come to this place now you can see, look at this one. I think I need to okay, if you come to this place very well, check this place. This is WordPress zip. Come down here, this is WordPress 6.3. So this 6.3 has been, this zip one has been unzipped. That's why we find this one here. Follow according to what I'm doing, please, you will get the same result. So you can see it here now, look at it. So it has been unzipped already. So the megabyte is 64.6 megabyte. So what I will do here, I will open it, click on it, then is a folder. So this is the real thing we want, you could see now. So what I will do here now, I will cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut. You can copy also, no problem, but what I mean by cutting simply means cutting is much easier. That means you want to remove it from here and take it to somewhere else. So I will cut it now, or you copy, you can copy and go and paste, but you can also cut and also go and paste, whichever that is okay by for you, go. So the next thing I want to do here now, after doing this, I will then go to my C drive. Look at it, local disk C drive. So go to your C drive now, hit on your C drive. Under your C drive, you will notice I was telling you about what I call XAMPP. This is the XAMPP here. That when you install XAMPP, XAMPP is the local host. This is what help you to host your website on the internet, like on your locally on your computer. So without XAMPP, your system, your website cannot be hosted locally on your computer. You will just have to host it online. But this time around, we don't want to host it online. We want to just design, we want to develop our website on our system first. Then later, after doing that, we can go and host it on the internet, whereby people can be able to access it using the domain name. You get it now? So, but this one we are building, it is only you yourself can only access it on the system you are using it. You are using to build it. So after you've done this, so the next thing, once you've installed, download and install this XAMPP. So you can just come here, look at this latest version here. The latest version is 8.2.4. So if you do hit on download now, see what the reaction will give you. So they will ask you, let me go down. So I think it's supposed to give us, so you can see it now. Okay, good, it's installing already. This is it here, XAMPP installing. So the thing is very simple to install. So but I don't want to install it, I have it already. I will cancel it. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. So I don't want it, I have them already. There's no cost of downloading it again. So after downloading it, after you might have downloaded it, so the next thing you want to do is to come down to this place. Now by the time you download it finish, go down to back to our local disk. Come to your local disk here. Then in this your local disk, after you've downloaded and installed properly, that's why I say go and watch this video. Please follow all my instructions. If you follow the instruction I'm giving you now, you will not have problem. That's why I say go and watch this, my first video I did. I have explained some, because so you can see it now. This is where I was showing you guys how to install the XAMPP.
So I'm going to pause the video this time around, because guys,
look at the page where I was showing you guys how to install XAMPP and the rest. Okay, so this is just how to do it. That's go and watch the video, understand it better. So I'm going to leave there. That's not what I want to do. So come back to what I was showing you guys here. So after installing it, you will find something like this XAMPP folder. You will find this XAMPP folder. Then you come to this place. Open the XAMPP folder. Then you locate this htdocs. This htdocs. Locate htdocs. Then you hit on it again. Open it. Then the next thing you want to do here after locating htdocs is you then paste. Don't forget, you copied the WordPress software. You copied it when you after downloading. Don't forget, we downloaded the zip file of WordPress. We extracted it, which is unzip. Then we now copy, or you copy or cut. Then come and paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here now. Paste. So straight away you can see it now, pasted already. So after you've pasted it, the next thing you will do here is to, now I will let's say the next thing we do here now is to come to this place. So come to this place and type XAMPP. That means you are looking for XAMPP. So now you will find something like this when you search for XAMPP. This thing means XAMPP control panel. This thing must be there. If this is not found on your system, then you can't do this thing. XAMPP control panel. This is, if you click it now, see what will happen. Let's just wait for it. So this will show up. Okay, this will show up. After this might have showed up, then you now come here, you turn on these two things. Apache start it. If you start it, this blue, there will be a yellow. Just click on access, allow access. Okay, so there will be a kind of is it green or so background under the Apache. The next one is MySQL. You also start MySQL, so you allow access also. This is the first time. So sometimes when you do that, it will give you kind of allow access. So you just click on allow access. So after that, this one now, this two is on. This is the thing that will be helping you to run your website locally. Is that taken? So the next thing you want to do here is to, so once you've done that, you minimize. You don't have to stop it. Please don't come and cancel it. Don't close it. Just minimize. Minimize. It's already going. The thing is working there now. Minimize it and that's all. So having done that, the next thing we want to do here now is to come to this place. We now come back to this place now. Let me and type. You're going to be typing something now. So you type let's say my PHP my admin, PHP my admin localhost. So this is it here, localhost PHP my admin. You click on it. So all right, so it's open now. So it's open now. You can see this is what we did here. Here is it here, what I showed you. localhost / PHP my admin / and that's all. So this one here is just like a database. You can see database server. So another way of opening this thing, let's say for an example, you don't want to type localhost PHP PHP my admin. What you just do is to come to this place. You can see this MySQL. You hit on this admin. Once you hit on this admin, it will take you to that place. You can see it's very simple. So that's another way of doing that. So after you've done this, then the next one, you come to create. You come to create this one, sorry, new, not create. This one button here, the first one, new. You want to create a new database. So after you click on new, you will see what will happen. It will give you create database. So what you want to do here now, you need to be very careful. Number one is that you need to, don't forget that our folder name we put inside the XAMPP is called what? Is called WordPress. So any name you change it, let's see the name you want to give your website is let me change it to, I want to rename it. Get it now, I'll put it Dantech Digital. All right, Dantech Digital. So I've renamed it already. You can see it now. So I will come here also. I will also go to this this one here and also write Dantech. The names must be the same. If it is different, there will be a problem. Dantech Digital. You can see it now. Check the spelling well. Dantech Digital. That's correct. So after you type this, then you hit on this create. So this has been created for you. Perfect. So after you've done this, the next thing you do is to go back to open another tab now and type localhost Dantech localhost Dantech Digital. All right, localhost Dantech Digital. Again, you enter. So allow it to load. Good. You are there. Now take note of something. Take note of something. Something is happening here. What is happening here is that they are telling you here that welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you need to blah 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 blah. You need to know the following items: database name, database user, database password, database host. But database, I will show you all these ones later. Just hold on. The information is being used to create a WordPress wp-config.php file. Read all these things. It's telling you something that there is an error somewhere, and it's telling you there is an error somewhere, and it's giving you a solution saying your config.php. So if you read it properly, because of time, I don't want to be going to that, but I know what they are trying to say here. Okay, so the best thing you're going to do here is so you can see, if for any reason this automatic file creation does not work, do not worry. All this does is fill in the database information to a configuration file. You may also simply open wp-config. So you can continue this way, no problem. But myself, when I was doing this, I found this, and I have to go and solve this problem. To solve this problem, come to this place, come back to here, then click on Dantec, the folder. Click on the Dantec folder, then you locate that WP. You can see WP config, which is configuration sample. You open it, click on it, open it. Okay. Wait. Let me do open with a notepad. So this is it, is open already. Then you now locate, there's something they are giving you there. You can see now database. Please take note of this. This thing I'm doing is very important. You can see database name here. What's our database name? Our database name is Dantec Digital. Just do it the same way I'm doing it, please. For this username, put root, R-O-O-T. For this password, remove the password, just delete it, don't put password. Come to this DB host, local host. Don't forget, it's local host we are using, so leave it that way, it's okay. Please and please follow what I am doing. If you make any mistake, watch it again, watch the video again, so you will get the same. If any slight thing changes from here, it will affect everything, and that will give you a lot of headache, like stress, big stress that will almost frustrate you. So please, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Having done that, the next thing you want to do is to hit on this file. You want to save this new change, so save as. Then if you see save as, remove this sample, remove the sample, remove it completely, and just leave wp-config.php. then you hit on save. So having done this, go back to that place now, go back, then refresh now and see the problem solved. Good, you can see it now, solved. So the next thing now is to hit on installing now. So our WordPress is automatically installing. So we have to fill up this now. Site name, what's my site name? Dantec Digital. Dantec Digital. My username, don't forget, is root. Password, please give it a very simple password. Like me now, if I'm working on localhost, one of my password I give is very simple password, which I'm not going to tell you, but I use simple password. Don't stress yourself. But if it is online, please, I beg you, use something strong. So I'm going to use something simple, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, that's good. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on it, though it's telling you it's very weak, but don't worry, me, I know how to do hard password though. It's not that I can't. You can see it now. You can see hard password, but then that's not what I'm not doing that because it's localhost. So just type the next one here, just type Dantec, just put an email there, Dantec Digital at gmail.com. So having done that, scroll down, then leave this one on tick like that. So the next one now, you hit on install WordPress. So after you've installed WordPress, so WordPress is installed, so success. So congratulations, you've successfully installed your WordPress. So you hit on login. So this is your login details. Now you can see it. Root is your username and 12345 is your password. So you hit on this login. All right. Boom. Here is it. So this is how WordPress dashboard looks like. So if this is interesting, you guys, just subscribe and like, share this video, please. So the next thing we want to do here now, like myself, I always like, there's something I do like, I like doing. I think let me leave that for now. Now I want to quickly show you how to move on with this. Now I was showing you the other time, I was showing you something here saying you should go back to this place, trying to connect my, I was showing you something here that you should, if you want to install plugins and theme and the rest, you should come to this place. So if theme, this is theme here, let me open it on a different tab. I love opening my work on a different tab. Plugin also. So the theme, this is a theme. So WordPress currently have 11,126 free themes you can use. WordPress is crazy, guys. Like, tell me, what did you want to build that you will not found? So, and the plugin, they have 59,656 free plugins you can use. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please, more videos on web development is coming on this channel. Subscribe. Just always come back to this channel, because I'll be putting more videos how to develop different things using WordPress. So now you can download it from here and go and import it. Let's try one. Let's say I want to download this theme now. One of my best theme I love using is this Ocean WP, and another one here is Astra. I love using Astra a lot. Another one here is Cadets. This Cadets. And another one here is which is not here, which is called Blosky. So if you have been using this for a very long time, you will have your special things you love, because you must have tested. I've tested so many things, so I know those ones that really work for me well, that I really love. They give me what I'm looking for. So for the plugins now, plugins are those like your mobile apps now in your phone. Every phone, they are system apps. Those system apps are those apps that comes with your phone. Something like camera comes with your phone, something like contact comes with your phone, message comes to your phone. But when you want to do you want to perform some tasks, you want your phone, probably you find a particular game in your friend's phone and you just want to have that same game, so you can always play the game. All right, you either go to Play Store to download it, or you ask your friend to send the game to you using your Zender or any other sending means. Okay, now the reason why you accepted, you're able to receive the game is because you want to perform a particular task. That is same thing is applicable to plugin. Plugin is meant to extend the functionalities of what your website can do. So when you see a website, e-commerce website, a website that is performing a particular task, telling you on this website, they are telling you can do this, like Jumia. If you go to Jumia now, Jumia website, this is a functioning e-commerce website. Alibaba website, these are functioning e-commerce website. Konga and the rest. So you get it now. These are functioning, like they are functioning. So this website now is a website you come here official store. Come here now, you buy, you order for something, you make payment, and after a few days, based on the agreement and with you, they deliver it to your doorstep. So this thing here, you can use WordPress to do all this thing that's given to you. Don't be scared. You can see this is e-commerce. This is what e-commerce does. So there is a plugin. Same thing is applicable. Let's go back to the plugin stuff. There is a plugin that works for that thing in WordPress. So anything you want to do at all, there is a particular plugin that have been developed for it. So all you just do is such that just go and find that particular plugin, then you use it and you get the result. So I'm going to install one theme here. Let me install a theme here from here. Let's say I'm installing Ocean. So I'll download now. Let me download it. So it's already downloaded 7.1 megabytes. So the next thing we do here, let me close some of my tabs. Good. So back to WordPress. So after you got into this place, what you want to do is the first thing I will advise you to do here is to try to understand all these things, these tools, their functions. Now, if you want to understand these tools, I'm not going to be covering it, please. I will recommend you to go and watch my video also. I've done a video on that on YouTube. This is the video here. WordPress dashboard tools. Let me open the video for you. So in this video, I extensively
log into your website. This has been cleaned up for you. So with this now, you can work perfectly without any distractions and the rest.
So you can see what happened now. So this is in this video I explained how the functions of all these tools. So I will advise you to go and watch it yourself. Watch it so you can understand what these tools are meant for. Sometimes when you are learning something, don't just stop at once. So many times when I'm trying to learn a particular skill, I don't mind watching that video 10 times. That is the beauty. That's just it. Watch the video again until that is perfectly understood, like I digest it, whereby I can do it without even watching the video. That's when I stop watching it. You don't watch a video once and just concluded that the thing is not clear. No, it's not done that way. The very first time, remember that it is strange to you. Of course, the understanding cannot come in full. It will come little. So when you watch again, understanding is increasing. It's not the same as when the very first time you watched it. So do well to go and watch it, and so you can have a proper understanding of it. So that's for that. Come back to the WordPress. So the next thing I want to do here is to hit on this appearance here. You can see theme. I'll hit on. We want to install our theme now. Now you can download your theme here and import it, and your plugins. You can download it here, then you import it. You get it. But you can also, one beautiful thing about WordPress, that WordPress have done in such a way that you can from this place you can have access to those themes and plugins without going out. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So for you to have access to such, all you need to do is to come to this place, go to appearance, this appearance here, then you hit on themes. You can see. So these are the themes. Now these are the themes that comes with WordPress, default WordPress theme. So let us check our website. This is the back end of your website, but let us try to check the front end and see how it looks like. Here is the front end. You can see now, Dantech Digital. This is a WordPress. This is our website. This is how it looks like. Okay, so but let's see the theme that is active here. 2023 theme. Okay, come back to this. So I don't need all these themes. All these are the themes. These themes are not really making sense. So I will come to this one here, add new theme. Add new. I will click on it. Then I will wait for something will happen now. So different themes have been given to me. You can see that same thing we had here. Let me show you. Same thing you can do access here outside. You can download it on wordpress.org, then you go and import it. Okay, but then WordPress has done in such a way that it is easier. They don't like stressing people, so on their platform you can have access to that same thing without going out. Now you might be trying to see the same thing that I'm doing here. Anything you want to download, maybe a theme, maybe a plugin, I will advise you for all these things to show up. All these things to show up, you need to download, or you need to connect your system to online, so that your system will be able to access them online. Then after your system has accessed them online, the next thing you will do is to off your connection. Once you finish installing and downloading, that means you've already installed it. You don't need internet again, but you need internet to install. I want to show you something practical. I will off my internet now. Just watch. I will off it now. Then I'll go back to this place. Watch what will happen. I'll come to add new now. Watch what will happen. Let's see a practical. You see now, the thing is, it just keep rotating. It's telling you that something it was searching for the data, searching for the things. You can see this is what it will give you. So this thing is practical. I have tested it. So that's why I'm telling you that follow every step I am giving you. So, but I will turn on my internet connection now. Then I will refresh. My internet connection has been turned on. I will refresh. Good. You can see it. So that is just it. So that's to tell you you need it. So I will come here now. I love this theme. I will install it. Click on install. So just wait a bit for it to get installed before we continue. So all right guys, I have to pause the video so that I will continue. So you can see now it's already installed. Good. So it's writing installed here. So the next thing we do is to activate it. Let's activate it. Hit on activate. So it's activating already. So this is what it gives you after activation. So it tells you that on person, blah 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 blah. So let's go and check the front end of our website again. We'll refresh this now again and see how it looks like. You can see it has changed from what it was before to because of the new theme we installed. I told you that theme is just like a structure, a foundation of how your website will look like. So the next thing we want to do now is to go back to our dashboard. We have this theme, the theme that is active now. Active theme is this one, Ocean WP. Then I will go and you know what, I love deleting all these ones. I don't like them, honestly. I love deleting them. Open, delete. I love deleting them. So I think let me just leave this one. Let me leave this one. So next that we do here is to so I will come to plugins now. I'm on the plugin now. What I do, hit on plugin, will give you this. Then you come to add new. You hit on add new. Don't forget your internet connection must be on for all these things to show up. So if not, it will give you error. So this is a WordPress plugin directory. So you hit on starter template. Starter templates. Now the work of this plugin is it helps you to gives you a template. So installation, you can see installation is 1 million active installation. Well, it's writing untested with your version, meaning they've not tested it with this new, because this 6.3 WordPress version is just a recent version that is not up to a month. It's not up to a month now. As of the time I'm doing this recording, it's not up to a month. They released that version. So I think they've not tested it with this starter template. But then let's see how it works. So I will hit on install now. So this starter template will give us a template of website, so it will speed up your work. You don't have to start from the scratch again. What you just do is to retouch some things. You get it? Retouch some things and boom, your site is ready. Though I'm going to be making video on showing you how to start from the very scratch, because when I was learning mine, I started from the scratch, learning everything. So but here now, this has made things easier for you. So the next thing now, this is here. You click on active. So once that has been activated, it takes you to this place, and sometimes it will not. Let me go back to dashboard in case you did not see, you didn't find what I'm saying here. So what you do is that come down to this appearance here. Under this appearance, you can see, look down here, you can see starter templates. Starter templates. If you click on starter template, you see the result it will give to you. So once you click on the starter template, it takes you to this place. So as I said before, I said we have block editor, we have beaver builder, and we have Goodember something. I can't really remember the name. So there are different types of so I will click on Elementor. That's what I'm using for this in the video. So you will see our different starter templates is being uploaded, loading for us. So here is the different starter template. So this place place whereby you can come here, just use this search button and search for the particular starter template you are looking for. But then there are drops down here that can also help you to navigate straight to where or what you are looking for. So in this place now, this is based on business. Don't forget Dantech Digital. I'm looking for how to download. I want to develop a website for my own business. Okay, so that's what I'm using for this tutorial video. So I will come here, and my own is under digital stuff agency. You can see now. You can see. Let me just open some of these things for you guys. Under agency, I will click on it, so it will give you different templates on under agency. Come to this place, local. So just search for what you are looking for, you will get it, guys. Search for whatever you are looking for, you will get it. So we have over 300 starter templates. So what are you looking for? What are you trying to build that you won't find the starter template here? So just check here, you will see different type: cleaning service, transport. Check here again: personal care, salon, beauty, fitness, yoga, spa and massage. You can see professional, accounting, photography, medical. Different type of websites you can come up by yourself. So under e-commerce, something like Jumia and the rest, you can see example e-learning, like a school website. So these are templates you can lay your hands on, and you can use it to build your site. So these are templates. These are templates. Just now, there are some that are premium. All these one written premium here are not free. You get it? Now they are free and they are premium. So the one premium there simply means you need to pay some money before you have access to them. But I'm not making use of any premium stuff. Everything we are using here is free. Seriously, I love free things. So if you have your way, you get it. That's just it. So what I will do here, I will click on this now. I love this. So I will hit on. So you will see how the website, we're almost done. We're almost done. Seriously, we are almost done. Boom. So you can see for yourself. You can see for yourself. They even give you write-up, like seriously, this is making sense. They even give you a kind of write-up on how your site should be. So this is how your site will look like. Services, about, blah blah blah. Now let me show you something. Come down to this place. Come down to this place, you hit on skip and continue. Skip and continue. So there are different colors here. Change colors. Now if you don't like this type of color the site is coming with, you can just decide to change it based on the brand. Like me now, I'm going to change it. I don't like it. So this is my brand. This is the brand my own brand color, which is blue. So I love this. I'm cool with this. So I'm going to go for this. So the next thing now I'm going to do here is to come to this place again, scroll down, check. Okay, this is my, I love this font, pumping, Montessera. I love pumping, I love Montessera, I love Atom. So there, if you have been working on this, you have mastered some themes, you have mastered plugins, you will master font colors like that very well. So you hit on this one, which is you hit on accept, like hit on that one, so it takes you to this. Then you fill in this. You can probably fill in all this, but myself, I'm not filling them. I don't need them. I'm not filling them. Or let me just fill. Let me not fill. So I'm working my email. I'm doing this for myself and expert. Yeah, I've been on this for a long time. So the next thing you want to do here now, they are saying I agree to receive newsletter. No, I don't want to receive. Leave me alone. So submit and build my website. So this we install. While it's installing, please, it might take you a few minutes, so I'm going to pause this video. So guys, it's still installing. Just give it a few minutes. You can see now it's importing the demo template. You can see imported down arrow media, so 25% currently. So just give it, our website is being built, give it a few minutes and it will finish up, then we continue. All right, so our website is ready now. You can see, congratulations, our website is ready, and it took just 2.46 minutes to build. So haven't done this, just click on view your website. So let's click on view your website. Let's view it and see. So our website have changed from what it's usually. Boom. So this is your site now. So you can see in less than an hour you've built a website for your brand. So guys, so now what you need to do now, what I'll be showing you now is how you need to make an adjustment, because you can't tell me that every details here is what you want. No, you can't tell me that. And this thing, like something like this, I need to change this to a different color entirely. Probably you want to change how to change this image. You get it now. And how to change the text, the color, how to change all these things, the footer, how to change them. So I'm going to show you now. Meanwhile, before we get to this place, while we are installing that thing, I repeat, anytime you are trying to download, install, please, on your internet. Like now, I will off my internet connection. I don't need the internet connection now. That's just it. I don't need it. I need to off it. Disconnect. So because I've installed it already, so I don't need it. So I'll be working offline. So if you are trying to install or download anything, on it. Once you are done, the thing is already on your system. So what next you need to do, if you need to adjust all these things, you need to, we can see it here, edit with Elementor. I was telling you about Elementor the other time. Now you will see the importance of Elementor. So I will hit on, open it on a new tab. So let me close all these ones. I'm trying to close few things. So Elementor is being opened now for us. So here is Elementor. You click on continue. Let me just cancel this. I don't need it. Alright, so this is Elementor now. It's open. So how do you edit? You can see now as I'm touching this thing, the thing is responding. You see now, I can touch, I can change anything at all. So let me start from the very first one. From the up now, what I do, I can change this thing to, if I hit on it, once you hit on it, you can see the title open here. So I can say welcome to let me use welcome to Dantech. Oh, sorry. Welcome to all right. Now welcome to Dantech, and if I want to make this, it's not really making sense this way. What I'm going to do is let me refresh this place, so I'll be seeing the front end from here. So here's my front end now. You see, I'll refresh now, but because of the change I've made here, I've not updated it. That's why the change. So this is it. This is how it looks like now. Now I'm working offline. All these things are offline now because I've installed it and downloaded already. So excuse me. So what I will do here now is to come back to this place. Then I will say, let me bring this one down. Okay. So I think it's making sense this way. So you can see it's down now. So if I hit on updates, so it's already updated. So I will come and refresh now. You see what will happen. So as you can see, welcome to Dantech. So I don't like it the way it is. Let me just, so that's for that. Now this image, let's say I want to change this image, or I want to make this thing very small. We'll come to styling. You can see under styling, you can see typography. So this is where you can change your font. I can change the font to any font of my choice. So I can change, I love Montessori, pumping. So I'll change it to pumping. You can see it now. So I can increase the size, I can decrease it. So, and also I can, what else can I do here? I can also change the text color to any color of my choice. Okay. Now this thing I'm doing here is applicable to every other thing. All right. Every other thing you want to change is applicable to it. So you can do that same thing. So that's for that. Then this one here, I can come here. This one here, let me check. I can come here and come to this place. So just come here and just touch things. I don't want this video. This video is already getting too long. I know you learned a lot of things here. So if I want to change this image, just click on this here, this edit section. Click on it, the middle one, those 6 dots. Click on the 6 dots. Please don't click on plus or cancel on the 6 dots. Then you come to this style. You will see the image here. So you click on this. Click on this. Yeah, different images will show up for you. So I want to change that image. I want to pick this. I want to change it to this. So select it and you click select. So you can see it has changed already. So that's just how to do that. So let's say you can see how simple that is. So if I want to make this one to the center, I can just bring it this way, and also this one, I want to make this one to the center. I can just bring this one this way here. Okay. Let me scroll down. Let me bring this one down. All right. So now the next one here, these changes now we've made, we can come here and update. any changes you are doing, please always try to update. So if you want to see the responsive mode of this, to see how it look like on mobile or tab, you click on this down part, this responsive mode, click on it, then it gives you a kind of options here. This is how it's going to look like on tab. So this is not looking good, so we can just edit it. I can just decide to remove it. Remove this one. I can bring this one to the center now. Let me bring it to the center. Bring it to the center. Sorry, bring it to the left. I guess this is based on, okay, let me just copy this then. Text, content. I'm going to copy this now. Copy this, then I'm going to delete this. Delete it, then also delete this one. So if I want to bring a new, this ones I'm doing now, I'm not sure it's applicable, so I've taken it to laptop size back. So if I want to give you a write up, so I can bring in this, you can see just from here you drag, left click, then use your mouse to drag it anywhere that for pink is showing, that's where it will drop in. So you can see it, now. I'll drop it there now. So it's supposed to enter. Hold on. So drop it there. So it's already there now. So what you just do here is to come to this place and I will paste that stuff. Then it is black. I will come to this style and change it from black to white. Okay. So then I can also center it. Okay. And it is too big. It's too big. I will come to typography. I would reduce the size. Don't like it to be too big. Reduce the size. Reduce the size a bit. I think it's okay this way. Then I will, to make an effect, I will update. After updating, I will then go and check it on the mobile view, take it on the tab view. You can see now on the tab view, this is how it's going to look like on the tab view. And on the mobile view, this is how it's going to look like on mobile view. So this is how it's going to look like. You can see this thing is making sense. Guy, this is the, don't worry, this is called static website. I'm still creating other ones. How to function dynamic website whereby you will be able to perform different tasks with that site. So I haven't done this. Let's go back to our mobile, our cancel this. All right. So if you come down here, you can be able, the same way I change this up one, you can do the same thing. Once you click on it, it will give you option here. You can say about us, hire us. You can say we are ready for business. All right. So this one also, let's say we're into web development. Come to this box here, web development. Okay, so then that's for that. This one too, also you can change this color. I don't like this color. You come here to style, you change the text color to white. Okay, so change this one also. Change the text color to white. So it's as simple as that. This image also, you can change it by coming to this place. So what you do here, hitting on this section, look at this 6 dot here, hit on this section, you go to style, you see the image there. So this is the image here now. Okay, so come to this place again, this image, if you click on the image, this has come out. So I don't want this image, I want something different to be there. So I want, let me change it to something else. I want this, so I will select. Okay, so all these ones here, you can change them on your own. You can change them on your own. You can see these are images, and also you can delete them. So if you want to delete this session, let's say you want to delete this session, you click on this delete session, it has gone. And to undo, you click on, you type on Ctrl Z, undo. So it is very responsive. So now let me show you last thing before we leave. And last one I want to show you now is, now all these things I've done, let me update it so it can take effect. Now if we go to service, now check the services rather. So these are different pages, the services they offer, and this is about. So just take your time to edit them based on your, see, the truth is that the more you work on it, the more you learn. That's how I learned my, you need to create time, sit down with it, with these few things I've showed you. Sit down with it, don't be in a hurry. Sit down with it, test it, try it, make an attempt. That's how you learn. You don't just learn. Learning does not come so easy at times. So after you've done all these ones, the next thing you want to do, so I'm just showing you different pages. All these things now are called pages. So we'll be leaving here now. Let's go back to our dashboard. So back to our dashboard, guys. Dashboard. So here's our dashboard. So guys, here is all the pages. Let me show you. Here's all those pages that we are working on: about, contact, home. This privacy policy and sample page, they come with your website by default. This is services. So I'm going to stop this video here. Thank you very much for staying to this end. I really appreciate. Please stay back because a lot of things are coming, a lot of goodies, a lot of videos. I'll be dropping many videos that has to talk extensively about this, but this is just like a fundamental for everybody, anyone who is just starting the journey of web development using WordPress. Okay, this is just like a fundamental video for you guys. So I've done series of videos on these different videos, so you can also go to my YouTube channel and check. Okay, go to my channel, like I said, go to my channel, search under the playlist, you will see different video. I have a playlist on WordPress, so this one I'm doing now, we still put it on that playlist. So just check different videos on WordPress. I've done so many things about WordPress, so and more videos are still coming. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful for staying to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. Share this video. Please share the video with your friends, your loved ones, those people you think it will help them. And also give me a reaction. That will help my channel to grow. It will help YouTube to recommend the video to other people. And see you in the next time in another video. Thank you very much.